welcome everybody. This is going to be a unboxing video. Not actually done an unboxing video yet, so this will be interesting. We'll see how it goes. I am using my phone, so I apologize if there's if it's shaking or anything, because I'm not really set up for this. I just kind of decided to do this on the fly. As you can see here, what we're going to unbox today is the Corsair, can I say that word? Crystal Series 570X case. Let's see here. There's the box. Now, I got this it was actually for Christmas, so a few weeks ago, and I've just had it sitting here. I've been waiting on another fan that I ordered, and just kind of waiting for a good time to, to get to it, get it all set up. So decided we're going to do this. Now, the other thing, the lighting in my room is bad, so I set up a new light up there. So hopefully it's a little bit better. Pulled that out of the closet. It's still not great. And my room, I wish I could say that I just moved, but no, I didn't. It's just, my room just looks like a dorm room / warehouse. That's why there's boxes and shit everywhere. So ignore that. There's the cat. I'm hoping she's chill through this and not whining her ass off like she's been all morning. Right now, I don't know what she's staring at, but alright, so back to this. So the Crystal Series 570X PC case. This was actually recommended to me by a cousin of mine. I can actually show you. So this is actually the case that I've been using, which is, oh god, can I remember it? An Antec 1200 full tower, I think. It's been I've had this thing forever, and it's huge, and it's fine for the most part, but it doesn't have modern screw places for radiators and such. And so I've started getting some water cooling, and it's just kind of hard to fit everything in there. In fact, I had a GPU with a water cooler, and I couldn't. I had to put it on the outside, and it was real awkward. So I decided to get this, kind of get modern upgrade. So without further ado, let's dive into it. Since I don't really have a stand to put the camera on, I'm probably going to cut the video for certain things, just so it's so awkward when you're trying to get it while holding the video. For example, I'm probably just gonna go ahead and cut it right now, and then we'll be right back as soon as I open this box. All right, here we are. So I've already got it cut. So let's open this thing up and see what we got. All right. So right off the bat, anyone that's bought Corsair, which I know a lot of people do this now, but for me, Corsair was the first time I'd actually seen this. Well, they always kind of have it in this nice little I don't know, is that nylon? I don't know what that is, to be honest with you. I'm not really into fabrics. Covering or bag. I know I've got 2 different Corsair power supplies and some other Corsair stuff. They've all come in that kind of material, which maybe, I don't know. I like it. It just makes it look nice. Of course, we've got a little thing of paperwork. We got it comes with, I think this case came with 3 of the SP120 RGB fans in the front. The paperwork. Probably not going to open that up. I feel like no one wants to look at paperwork. Just throw that over here for a second. And that's actually what I was waiting on. Is I ordered another one of those I forgot what it was. One of these fans, SP120 RGB fans for the back for the exhaust, because it doesn't come with an exhaust fan. All right. Let me see if I'm going to be able to take this out without cutting the phone. That is wedged in there nice and good. Alright. Just so I don't break anything, because this is a glass case. I'm going to go ahead and cut it again. What we're going to do is I'm going to pull the actual case out, just straight out, place it on this table, and I'll be right back. Alright, here we are. So I've got it obviously out of the box. You see the box. I can't believe she sat there with me throwing that thing over. Man, this thing is heavy. Much heavier than I thought. I mean, I've got a full tower over there, and this is a mid tower. So I was expecting something smaller. I mean, it's not necessarily a bad thing, but I just wasn't expecting it to be so heavy. Packaging seems pretty good. I mean, this stuff is like that was not going anywhere. So packaging is definitely nice. Again, it is a glass case. If let's mention that earlier. So obviously you want it packaged. Certainly don't want anything broken. Sorry, I'm trying to get these off without having to cut again. It's probably not going to happen. Okay, we'll be right back. I'm going to go ahead and take all this off. We'll go ahead and get the cover off. And next thing you see should be it standing up on the table. Alright, and we're back. Alright, so I've got it standing up. I did move my light, so hopefully this will be a little better. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, so let's pull the cover. And there we have our first look at it out of the box. Let's see. Okay, that's just some dust. It's interesting. Oh, okay, so it's got a film. Okay, that makes sense. As you can see, we've got. Actually, let me see. Do I have another light over here? I should have thought all that through. I could have swore I had a much bigger light, but whatever. So there she is. I'll just use the lamp. All right. So as you can see here on top, every side is covered with a glass panel. Here we've got our inputs, power. I assume those are the fan controls there, the lighting and speed controls. You got your headset, your mic. You got two 3.0 spots there for USB. Take a look at the front. Okay, so there you can see we've got our three input fans. Those are the RGB SP120s. Pretty nice. I keep seeing these weird little lines and stuff thinking it's scratched, but I'm assuming that's just on the peeling, that plastic peeling that's on the cover. So hopefully that'll go away and pull that off. I keep thinking it's scratched. Looks pretty good. From the pictures, I always wondered how much space was here, because I was like, how do these things breathe? Because in the pictures online, the glass didn't seem to have this much space, and I was like, how are they getting the air in there? But that should be plenty. It's not too bad. It did have pretty good review ratings. I don't know how well you can actually see in there just yet. Of course, we'll take it off in a second. Oh, that doesn't help. It looks nice and spacious. Let's see if I can get around to this side here. Of course, here we got the back. There's the power supply base. I didn't really plan to walk around this, so we'll see. And I don't know where that's coming out, but we'll see. So you got two 3.5 hard drive slots right there on the back, where that box is, and then just below it. And then got a reflection of that bag. That's bad, but and then it's got room for two 2.5 SSDs right there. Right there is your light controller, or sorry, your fan. Well, your fan and your light controllers, I guess. From everything online, it should have a pretty good cable management system here on the back too. Oh, not what you want to do with the class. But so there's that. All right, so I think what we're going to do here, I should have worked on my lighting situation. You know, the lamp or two. I'm not sure. I'm going to go ahead and I'll take the panel off here so we can get a better look of the inside. and I'll be right back. And we're back. So you can see there's the glass panel I just pulled off the side there. Now I will have to say, these right here, these little thumb screws, getting those out was so easy. Like, this is how everyone should do their damn thumb screws. Like, they just came right out. I mean, they were just tight enough. I didn't need a tool. That was just like the best thumb screws I've ever seen in a PC case or a computer. Okay. Also, the glass fits really nicely in these like little grooves. Hopefully that'll focus. You can see it sets right on that little rubber foot right there. So there's absolutely no, misaligning it. You don't have to worry about like holding it just in the perfect place. You set it right on that foot, those little screws go right through it. So there's no, having to align it. My old PC, not this one. Well, actually this one too. It's a pain in the ass to get it like lined up just right. So that's definitely a big plus for me. Alright, so let's see what we got here. Set that there. So here you can see the inside. There's our 3 fans. Pretty nice. The one complaint that I did see on a couple people for this case is that all the cable management is right here on the right. You got these, 3 slots right here to put your cables through. And so the complaint was anything that you had to connect over here, like when you get your motherboard in here on the left side, anything that you have to connect over here has to actually run across instead of being able to go, straight through, tuck straight to the back. So you get, you're going to get just a little bit of cable work running across the board there. I don't think that'll bother me. That was just one of the things that I did see some other people that kind of mentioned. You can see there on the top there's room for some more fans or more radiators. I think it could hold, what did I see, was it 7 fans? 6. I'm really only counting 6, but I could have swore it said 7. Maybe it was 6. Because you got your 3 front, you got 1 here on the back, and then you could easily fit at least 2 there. And of course there's different size options depending on what size you go with. And of course radiators, it's got all the screw inputs for radiators. And so there it is. Now obviously, like I said, these glass panels, you can see up here, it's got, it's screw points too, so like you could take off those 4, take off that top panel. Exact same for the side here. It's got the same little screw points. Just pull that right off. To access the back there. Which, probably not gonna pull that off just for this little unboxing video. And there you go. If you ever need to clean the front, you can pull that front glass panel right off, doing the same thing. And I think there's a filter. How do you get to the filter? I guess you have to pull that off. Looks like once you take off that front. Yeah, right there it is. So, oops, what was the point at? So right there you can see the filter. I'm going to push it on a little. So once you took off that front panel, then you could slide this whole filter off and clean out the dust or whatever you got to do with it. Alright, so there we have it. Corsair Crystal Series 570X PC case. I'll put some details of it in the description below, and I'm hoping that I will be able to actually get my PC components moved into it today. If so, and I can get it in a timely fashion, I will also get a picture shot of everything completed and like inside there, so I can get that on here on the video. But that's going to depend on if I can get to it today, because I do want to try to get the video out either today or tomorrow. So we'll see. If not, I guess I can always link to maybe some pictures of it. But there we go. So I hope you enjoyed. If you did like the video, go ahead and hit a thumbs up on it. If you've not subscribed, that would certainly appreciate it. And hope it was informational. Everyone have a good day.